Hello, let us see the procedure for making casting of a single piece pattern. Casting of any product has mainly four basic steps. First is pattern production, second is mold production, third is casting, and fourth is cleaning the pattern and making it ready. This is the molding sand. Molding sand is a mixture of silica sand, water, sludge, and many other types of sands. But here we are using clay or the green sand. Appropriate amount of water is added around 5% to make the sand moist to enhance properties like chemical inertness, permeability, surface finish, cohesiveness, adhesiveness, and the flowability. Thus, our sand is prepared for the mold making. These are the two mold boxes. One is the drag, other is the cope on top of it. This is a single piece pattern which has to be cast. It has different geometries and enough taper provided for easy removal. This is carrot. It would look funny, but this is used for the runner. It has a good tapered shape, so it will be easily removed from the mold. Thus is used as a runner. Then we can use this as a razor, this as a razor with good taper. This can be used as vent rod to help the gases escape from the mold. Then normally parting sand is used so that pattern can be easily removed later, but here we are using salt as parting sand. It is to be sprinkled over the pattern and around the molding box. While putting the sand in the mold, proper ramming is to be done so that spaces are not left in between the mold. Now the drag box is filled, so excess sand should be removed and the surface is to be flattened. Now the drag box is ready with the pattern, and now we have to do the pattern removal so that cavity is formed. This is the cope box in which the runner is placed, which is tapered, and the razor is placed. Now cope box is being prepared. The cope box is ready with runner and razor. Now the cope box is placed on the drag box and the runner and razor are to be removed. Now the runner and razor are removed. Vent holes are made so that gases can escape. Now wax is being used. It is going to be melted to a sufficient temperature for pouring. Wax getting melted. Wax being poured. Disposing the mold to remove the casting. After removing the casting, now the casting is ready. We have to do the finishing and cleaning to get the final part. After removing the casting, fine finishing the part by removing the excess mud and shaping it with tools to get a better finish. We have obtained the desired product by sand casting. As you could see, some clay particles are attached on the surface. This could be avoided by using a better molding sand. Painting and machining could be done to improve the texture and the look of the product. Thus, sand casting was a good experience. This is the product obtained.